All right, good afternoon, YouTube. We're here once again with something that I probably have never done before, but I'm gonna try and see how it works out for you. Leave me a few comments. Let's see how it works. All right, today we need to transfer water. See this pipe over here? This pipe right here needs to get an inspection so we can cover the ground. All right, with that being said, those pipes need to be filled with water. We're out here where there's not much going on. So you have to be able to use you use your mind and create a situation. All right, so the situation we created was we have this drum, full drum. What we're doing today is kind of like an unboxing. We're gonna test this and review it and tell you what we feel about this transfer pump. It's a Ryobi 18 volt transfer pump. We bought it brand new, still in the plastic as you can see. And this transfer pump supposed to be enough for us to go to a water source and suck the water out of the water source and be able to deposit it inside of the 50-gallon blue drum that will be on the back of the truck. All right, so we're gonna use that with the hose. As you can see, the hoses here are coiled up. There's probably another hose somewhere. See another hose here, coiled up again. But don't worry, it look rough right now. It's gonna look a lot better as we review this product. All right, let's see what else is in the product. I guess this is the foot so that it can suck up the water. Let's look at it, see what they're giving us. This sucks up the water. And this attaches to some hose that they've provided. This hose they provide. We will put a longer hose on it because we have a longer way to transfer water from. And then this is the power source. The power pack. It can be used with a battery. We don't own the battery though, and we're gonna plug it in. We have the plant right there, so we trust the plant right there, so. All right, and once we use the plant, put some current in it, we should be able to have water to transfer. I have a few buckets over there I'm gonna test it with before I actually take it to the water source, and let's see how it works out. All right, stay tuned. Test. I did not read the owner's manual. I were to prime the pump with water before attempting to use it. I believe at this point there was something going on that I was doing wrong in order for the pump not to work. However, Ryobi, the pump did start to work at some point. Alright, YouTube, I have to give you an update on the pump. And see the pump there? The pump is pumping. Water's in the line and it's moving. That pump is going all the way. See that loop? It'll go all the way up here, sir. Look there. We are full in the pipe. It is a test to make sure there is no leaks. We do it the right way. This is on behalf of my plumber. Obviously, I'm not the plumber. And he asked me to supply water for him, which obviously I'm the one to supply it. And I had to come up with an ingenious way in order to get water into the system. So, this is what we came up with to get water in the system. And I guess you want to know if water's really in the system. So I'm going to show you. I guess you saw that. I'll show you one more time. Water is in the system. It's coming out. Doing pretty good. I don't know if you could hear that, but the water's coming in the system, filling up all the pipes. And obviously when they get this high, it's gonna overflow and show me that it's full of water. All of those hands will be full of water because they're all capped. And see the lowest part of it here, which is to the septic tank. It's definitely capped, it's not leaking, and everything's fine. My plumbers are good. I mean, we only use the best around here, and my plumbers are good. I'm not gonna lie about that. They're good dudes, young brothers, getting it done. Their stuff don't leak. This is not the first home that we've built together. As a matter of fact, it's not the second. And that's a good thing. Anyway, we're here building. We're filling water pipes. As you can see, it's going down over here. And we're making it happen. Should you need your pipes set in this manner, we're ready. Also, let me show you another caveat that happened. The electrician came out, and the electrician done what they call a bonding beam, bonding bridge. And it's simply to wire the steel. As you can see, there's two pieces of steel down there, and it's wired with a clamp. See the clamp there? Right, and this is the wire that's left. It's gonna go to the panel. See right there, it says EP. That's electrical panel. It's right here beside the door, and that's where they're gonna put it. It should be fun. Let's see what it does. We have an inspection tomorrow, and stay tuned. I'm gonna put up the permit box, and we have an inspection tomorrow, so we'll see what it does. We're the best out here. I'll keep you posted. Yes, this is how we know it's full. It's running over. Running over. That's how you know our stuff is full.
Overall, the Ryobi 18-volt water transfer pump, it does work. It is for light application and probably home use.